This is our fancy tester. It is designed for low impedance and standard duty fence controllers. 6 neon lights indicate voltage from 1 to 10,000 voltage, higher measuring range than normal type. Though it is not as bright as LED, it does not need a battery. It could measure voltage on metal wire, poly wire, poly rope, test fence line, Energizer, ground system, hookup wire and fence components. It is usually used in farm, home, garden, and livestock fencing. The black outer case does not emit light. It will not affect reading. The top probe has a better contacting with fence, better than many other types. When using, insert the probe into the ground and let the top touch the fence. You could know the reading of the fence. It requires no additional tool. The human-sized design is comfortable to hold. Durable ABS case could withstand cold weather. Service life is normally 20,000 times.